Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Market Beast Edition, fellow company speaking. So we got a short video on the AMC instrument. We actually found a beautiful pattern. Well, I found it via a commenter in the comment section. We're going to go over that. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Yes, you can do TA on AMC. Let's get started and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's July the 11th, 2021, and the previous close of AMC is $46.19, slightly negative 3.6% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Quick shout out to one of our commenters who left a comment on our previous video. I'm sure I'm going to screw this name up. Truthin Tolden, all right, says, glad someone isn't repeating the mantra, technical analysis doesn't apply to AMC. So yeah, yes, you can do TA on AMC. And let's go ahead and find this pattern here, or reveal the pattern you found. Okay, so it's a dome, aka a rounding top. I don't want to put rounding top because you know the apes there. They don't want to hear that about a top. So let me explain the different scenarios that could play out with this dome, aka rounding top formation pattern. So whenever you find a pattern, doesn't matter which pattern, okay, it has consolidation within a pattern. Yes, okay, so the market consolidated within this pattern. And the way that I find patterns is I look for the candle's bodies. If you notice, there's been a perfect candle's bodies, perfectly confined, restricted on that dome formation there. Okay, so we just got a breakout to the downside of this pattern, and so far it looks like the market wants to move lower. Now, this isn't a video saying that it's actually going to move lower, because can this be a fake out? Sure, absolutely. But what would need to happen is this one must happen at least with over the next 2 to 3 candles, and it has to find some sort of floor, whether it's at like 45, just below that level. I'm not sure, guys, but the market must simply not follow through, because remember, there's buyers and sellers. That's all I'm looking at, right? Buyers and sellers with respect to the shorts having to close whichever date. I'm not sure, guys. I'm just looking at the story here, right? So let's just say that the market, the sellers, they consolidated within this dome, okay, and they spit out the price to the downside. Now the sellers have an obligation to follow through. If the sellers are unsuccessful at following through to the downside, it looks like it actually met its target already, actually. The way that I measure dome technical targets is from the resistance line, or support line that's been breached, rather, and the actual resistance line, the top of the highest point of the resistance line at the top of that dome there. So that's why I got this little handy dandy trend line here. If I make it a white so you can see it, yeah, right there, okay. You take that and then you measure it on the breakout, and it looks like it's already met the technical target. So maybe this market is actually ready to turn around here. All right, so if you don't see any more price momentum to the downside, that just simply means that the sellers have met their technical target and the buyers are ready to continue the overall trajectory, which is to the upside. AMC is still looking bullish. This isn't a bearish video on AMC, okay? One thing that is noteworthy is, remember, when you have gaps in the charts, in some cases, not all cases, they do tend to get filled. Very large gap in the price down here at about 26 up to $31. That's noteworthy. We also have another gap just below that area, which is not guaranteed to get full, but I'm open to that volatility. I don't think a lot of people are, or the apes are, but I am. $16 all the way up to $17. Another gap I think is worth mentioning. So this video is simply explaining that the dome formation pattern that we found, the technical target has been met, okay? Can it exceed the technical target? Who knows? I'm open to it, okay? But if it continues to turn, but if it actually turns around here, yeah, guys, you can't start betting against AMC, guys. It's not a good idea, okay? The market will explode in your face, okay? The trend is your friend until the end. Never disrespect the trend. Okay, we're just looking for a higher high. AMC needs to make a higher high, $63. All right. Oh, actually, from the candle's bodies here, it just needs to get higher than break above $56, technically speaking, from the 3-day candles here. So if you technical guys taking notes of that, that's the level that it actually needs to close a candle's body above in order to proceed higher. 56. All right. So the buyers have an obligation here, guys. You guys, the apes, you guys got to push this price up. The sellers have a unique advantage here to break this price down if you guys can't get it above 56. That's it. That's the bottom line. And the level that it broke up below is going to be $48. So yeah, if you see any struggling with that $48 level and the market just can't proceed or break back above that level, that's the previous level of support. So if it's going to use that as resistance, expect the market to move lower. Okay, that's it, guys. $48. Let's just kind of, in terms of this pattern, 48 bucks. If you see any price volatility and it can't proceed higher above 48, expect the market to move lower. Simple. All right, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully this was straight to the point, sort of. One level, $48. If it breaks higher, then you already know what the next level would be for the buyer's obligation. Okay, so $48 is the only level, and we'll close the video out. Okay. So thank you for listening to the end, guys. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Pardon the way I sound, I'm under the weather. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also covered the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. I appreciate that, guys. Take care of yourselves. Be kind. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.